All right, these are the STAR questions. In class, we were going to answer these together. So I want you guys to try and answer these 3 questions on your own, and then you can watch the video and we'll go over each of these answers, okay? So until you've answered these, go ahead and push pause on the video and push play when you're ready to go over your answers, all right? Push pause now. Okay, the first question says, what is the slope of a line that passes through the points 5, -11 and -9, 17? Well, we want the slope of a line. So if we look at our star chart, slope of a line is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So all I'm going to do is I'll label the first point as my x1, y1. My next point is going to be x2, y2. And now I just put the numbers right in here. So start out with y2, so 17 minus y1, which is -11, over -9 minus 5. -17 minus 11, minus the negative is plus. So that's going to give me 28 over -9 minus 5, which is -14. 28 divided by -14 gives us -2 over 1, which is just -2. So it's answer A. All right, the next one has a table that shows the linear relationship between the balance of a student's savings account and the number of weeks he has been saving. So here's the table. Weeks and the balance. Well, weeks, that's going to be your X. Balance is going to be your Y's. It says, based on the table, what was the rate of change of the balance savings in dollars and cents per week? So, how much did he save every week? We've got to do the same thing. Find the rate of change. So, Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus x1. Now on here, I went ahead and labeled my x's and y's, and really we just need to pick 2 points. I'm going to pick these 2 points right here because they're the lowest values. So my second point, there's my first point. Second point is the y value here is 39 minus my y value here, which is 32, over my x values, 1 minus 0. 39 minus 32 is 7, 1 minus 0 is 1, 7 divided by 1 is just 7. So the slope is 7. Now when you go through and bubble this, pay attention to where your decimal is. There's going to be, some grid boxes, blah, 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 blah. Wherever you put your decimal, 7 needs to go in the ones place right before it. Doesn't matter if you put in the zeros after or the zeros before, as long as you have the significant numbers, like the ones other than 0 in the spots, and pay attention to where your decimal is. Now, 21 says the graph shows the linear relationship between the maximum area in square feet that can be painted and the number of gallons of paint used. So, this is the area, this is the gallons. So the areas are Y, gallons is the X. Which of these best represents the rate of change? Remember, that just means slope of the maximum area painted with respect to the number of gallons of paint used. The slope is rise over run. So, for it to go over 1, it has to go up 200, 400. 400 divided by 1 is just 400. So it's 400 square feet per gallon. All right, I hope this was helpful. Make sure you answer the other notes. I'll check those to get your daily grade. All right.